Okay, welcome to everyone to this video. My name is Valentino Lacia. Thanks for coming and for watching this video. I'm from Argentina. I'm 23 years old and I am a part of the course of Cloud Server Administration. And now I'm going to talk about VM, virtualization, a virtual machine. Okay, to understand this, we know that computer have a CPU, have RAM, have a storage, have a power supply. Yep. But how can we use a computer, a virtual computer? Okay, a virtual machine is exactly a virtual machine, a virtual computer. But we need to understand what is a host server, yeah, a data center. And to do that, I will explain you how to do this with a box pizza. Okay, with this we have a lot of slices, and each slice represent every VM, every virtual machine. That means that a data center have a lot of cores of CPU, right? Have a lot of CPU, have a lot of terabyte of storage, have a lot of gigabyte of RAM, hundreds of gigabyte of RAM. And then if we need a virtual machine, we can have a slice. Yeah. How can a data center have different slices? That computer have something that calls hypervisor. The type 1 of hypervisor, bare metal, is a hypervisor that is installed before the operating system. Is installed directly in the hardware. But the type 2 is a hypervisor that we can run in our operating system. The operating system is not effective and efficient as the type 1. And come back to the slices. Each VM, for example, this is a slide of pizza and this is another slide of pizza. We can see that we have operating system, can be Mac, yeah, and this can be Windows. We can have different cores, more cores in this VM and more cores in this other VM, and different quantity of storage. How this can be useful for a company. For example, we are going to have Cyber Monday. It's going to pass the next week, and we know that a lot of users is going to buy something in our web page, or a lot of customers, and we are going to need more resource to supply that necessity we have. And then we are going to talk with the host server, with the data center, and we are going to receive more resource to have the ability and to be able to supply that necessity. Okay, and that is what I want to share with you. It's very useful because we are going to, virtualization is very useful and is a necessity because we are going to save a lot of space. Being a company, it's not necessary to have a data center. We are going to save a lot of energy. We are going to save a lot of money instead. And that's what I was going to share with you. Thanks for watching this video. If you have comment, please and I want to know what do you think about this video, and if you have some answers for some questions. If you have questions, I will love to answer all the questions that you have. And thank you, and that's what I want to share with you.